Hello everybody, today I want to show you how to backup WhatsApp message from WhatsApp in iPhone from Android. Okay, it's very easy and very quickly because now WhatsApp has any two options if you want make backup to Android or iPhone. Okay, you need to update your WhatsApp and open your settings, scroll and open your privacy. Now, no, sorry, open your chats. Okay, now scroll. Now, can you see moves chats to Android or transfer chats to iPhone? If you want change your mobile to Android to iPhone, can you use transfer chats to iPhone? If you want change your iPhone for Android, use the first options mob chats to Android. Okay. Now chat backup. Remember make this, and this is all. Okay. If you was a minute, can you guys the comment from this video? Sorry for my bad English. See you later. Have a good day.